Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make invisible YouTube channel name. So firstly sign in, scroll down, click on customization, in here click on basic info, click on edit to your channel name, and in here type any symbol like star, then click on publish, then click on go to channel. So as we can see it's looking cool. In channel name only there is only star. If you will see video, so you will see only star. So like this you can create and make invisible YouTube channel name. Thanks for watching.